Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today my girl Candy is wearing a new harness thanks to Rabbit Good. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar, and this is the package that we have received. I'm going to open the bag with you guys. Okay, comes the pink harness and also a small booklet. With this little booklet, you will learn how to use this harness with your dog. Now I'm going to show you the harness more closely. It's pink in color, it's beautiful. The seams are strong. In this part, it has two hard plastic clips. On the other side, you have the same clips to adjust the harness pretty well to your dog. On the top right side and left side, it also has clips to adjust. It's soft, padded, and it has a ventilation system. Here it has a ring to put the leash and also in the bottom part of the chest. Another ring to put the leash if you want. The size of the harness is small. Here you have a photo so you can see how the harness is open and closed. Now I'm going to put the harness on my pup. I'm going to unlock the leash from this side and I'm going to put it up on the back. Now we are going to take a walk with Candy to see if she approves the new harness. Please tell me below in the comments what do you think? She loves the harness or no? And yes, now I know she feels and walks comfortable. I will remove the leash on the back and I'm going to put it on the bottom. If you put the leash there, your dog never pull it. In this way, your dog is more free and he can run or walk faster. And right here, you can see the photo with the measurement. And remember, if you want to buy this harness, you have to check the measurements of the neck and chest to buy the correct size, okay? Now I'm going to put the leash on the top because I always hang the leash on top. By the way, my pup never pull. If you see my little girl Candy is so happy with the new harness. Thanks Rabbit Goo. And of course, she approved it. This harness is to be seen and be safe. It has ultra bright reflective stitching, keeps your dog visible in the dark. Guys, I almost done with this video, so now I'm going to take off the leash and the harness. All information about the Rabbit Goo will be below in my description box. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, follow me on my social media, and I have recipes for you every Wednesdays. And every Saturday we have new videos about dogs. See you next time. Bye bye.